Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to change your password in Microsoft Outlook for 2025. Whether you're beefing up your account security or just need a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. It's quick, easy, and essential for keeping your emails safe in an ever-changing digital world. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to understand that changing your Outlook password is tied to your Microsoft account, since Outlook is part of the Microsoft 365 suite. So, grab your device and open up your favorite web browser. Head over to the Microsoft account login page at account.microsoft.com. Once you're there, sign in using your current email and password. Don't worry if you're a bit nervous, it's straightforward. After logging in, look for the Security or Account Settings section, usually found in the top menu or under your profile icon. Click on it, and then select Password or Change Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password for verification. That's just a security measure to make sure it's really you. Next, type in your new password. Make it strong. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Microsoft might even suggest some options to help. Once you've confirmed your new password, hit Save or Update. Now, if you're using the Outlook app on your computer or mobile device, you might need to sign out and sign back in with your new password. Simply close the app, reopen it, and enter your updated credentials when prompted. That's it, you're all set. This process ensures your Outlook stays synced and secure across all your devices. Changing your password regularly is a smart habit to protect against potential hacks, especially in 2025 with all the new tech advancements. If you run into any issues, Microsoft has great support resources. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.